One lantern rarely lights more than the table beneath it. Skylight rises on a telescoping pole and spreads light across a much wider campsite, making cooking, organizing gear, and late-night setup far easier. Covering yourself in sticky bug spray isn't the only option. Switch on the E55 and it creates a scent-free protection zone around camp, so dinner doesn't become an all-you-can-eat buffet for mosquitoes. Shade is useful, but fighting poles and guy lines isn't. Crosswing pulls straight from its roof-mounted case and opens in seconds, creating quick shelter beside the vehicle. Inflating a sleeping pad after a long hike is nobody's favorite campsite job. Zero Pump 2 handles it hands-free, then packs away inside a pocket. A warm tent can turn bedtime into a long, sweaty argument with your sleeping bag. This rechargeable fan moves air around camp, while its removable battery also works with other products in Coleman's one-source system. This little device handles 2 campsite annoyances without taking much bag space. It heats compatible mosquito-repellent mats and doubles as a small camping light, making it especially handy beside a hammock or tent entrance. Hanging a heavy water bag from a tree isn't always practical. Helio sits safely on the ground and uses a foot pump for pressure, giving you a useful spray for showers, dishes, muddy shoes, or sandy gear. Real espresso usually requires a machine, a socket, and half the kitchen counter. Pixapresso heats its own water and works with ground coffee or capsules, putting a fresh espresso shot almost anywhere. Losing phone service feels very different when camp is miles from the nearest road. This satellite communicator can send texts, photos, voice messages, and an interactive SOS when normal mobile coverage disappears. Campfires are relaxing until the smoke follows you everywhere. The Fire Pit Plus uses a rechargeable fan to improve airflow, giving you a cleaner burn while letting you control the flames from your phone. Ice eventually melts, leaks, and leaves your food floating around the cooler. The CFX2 works like a portable refrigerator, maintaining the selected temperature from vehicle or campsite power without constantly buying fresh bags of ice. A dead battery can end movie night, drain the camera, or leave the cooler warming up. This portable power station keeps larger campsite devices running and can recharge from compatible solar panels when you stay longer. Filtering water one mouthful at a time gets old quickly. Fill this 3-liter bag, hang it above camp, and gravity does the work while you unpack, cook, or refill everyone's bottles. Waiting forever for hot water feels even longer on a cold morning. The redesigned flash locks the burner and cup into one compact system, bringing water to a boil quickly for coffee, soup, or freeze-dried meals. Some nights are simply too hot, or too cold for proper sleep. Wave 3 brings app-controlled cooling, heating, and dehumidifying to tents, vans, and R&V camping setups. A heavy water jug becomes awkward the moment you need to wash something. This rechargeable faucet adds 2 flow speeds and shuts itself off, helping camp feel more like home. Cold often comes through the mattress before the sleeping bag can help. The flip side warms the bed from below, using a smart controller to keep chilly nights comfortable. Tent poles feel strangely outdated when the entire shelter can rise with air. Wildfinder's inflatable structure uses a pump for fast setup, then gives families a roomy cabin with large windows and a skylight overhead. Camp cookware has an annoying habit of filling every empty corner in your bag. This kettle folds nearly flat, then opens into a proper pot for coffee, instant meals, or a quick mug of tea. This lantern stores almost flat, inflates when needed, and recharges from sunlight. It can also send some of its stored power to your phone, which is useful when the nearest wall outlet is several forests away. Ordinary power banks aren't built for rain, dirt, and being dropped beside the tent. Nest Out wraps its battery in a rugged outdoor shell and connects with optional lights, solar panels, fans, and other campsite attachments. Weather apps become decorations when both signal and power disappear. The ER310 receives weather alerts and can run from its rechargeable battery, replaceable batteries, solar panel, or hand crank when the situation gets serious. Constantly adjusting a headlamp gets annoying when your hands are full. The HF8R Core automatically changes its brightness and focus as your surroundings change, keeping the path visible without repeatedly reaching for a button. Most backpack coolers eventually turn lunch into a wet treasure hunt. FrostVault Go keeps cans and ice in one section, while a separate chilled compartment protects sandwiches, fruit, and anything that shouldn't become soggy. Campfire cooking often means cutting dinner open 5 times to check it. Meter Pro tracks the temperature wirelessly and guides the cook through an app, so you can relax without turning dinner into charcoal.